Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to share Block Blast link with friends. To share your Block Blast game link with friends, first of all, open up your Block Blast application on your mobile device. Once you have the app open, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. In the pop-up menu, click on More Settings. Now, inside More Settings, tap on Share with Friends. Now you can choose a sharing method, that is, any social messaging app such as WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, email, etc. Now you can choose one of a friend from your friend list and then click on the next button at the bottom right or the send button, and an automated text link will be generated. Simply tap the send button in order to send the link to your friends. Your friend will receive the link and then they can download and join into Block Blast instantly. Now you can enjoy playing together with your friends. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.